Hello fellow haunters, I'm going to show you some changes I made to this kit and talk about this recorder receiver board. This you may recognize as Jasper's animatronic Raven kit, and it's pretty excellent. The instructions, he's got videos which are very easy to follow, spells everything out for you quite well. But some changes I made after building this guy here, Phil. Some of the things I learned: if you don't have your attachment points in quite the right spot, when you move one axis, the other axis may behave in a way you don't expect, and that's due to where the linkage is attached. So what I did is I added some brass off of the acrylic in his head and added this little ball joint here in line with the U-joint. And then on top I kind of did the same thing, except I didn't do a ball joint. I just did a pin through a hole, essentially making like a vertical hinge. Also adding these lights, they stick out behind his head because I didn't want the lights to poke out of his head the full depth of the LED. So I had to move the connection point. This kit has a connection point right behind the eye, comes down to about this spot on the jaw. So I flipped the horn around, the connection point's back here. I also drilled a hole in the back of the jaw right about there. Everything else is about the same, but I want to talk about this board. This is the receiver recorder board that's compatible with the DIY controller. So here I'll show you. Got the controller hooked up, operating it real time. Oh, sorry about my camera work. So that's there. Now, that's puppeteering live. On this board, I can hit the record button. Whoops, that's the play button, I'm sorry. I can hit the record button, and that light goes red. And then I'm going to do a quick little routine here. Just make him look around. I'll open and close his mouth, flap his wings, have him squat while looking up, have him stand up and look down. So there. And now on the board, I hit the record button again. That stops it. So I'm going to set the controller down and just hit play. And so here it's going to repeat the routine where I just look around, open his mouth, flap his wings, and so on. And so once this is done playing the routine that I made, you'll see this light starts blinking as it goes into a kind of a wait state. And that should be about it. There we go. And so after several seconds, this light will return solid and start playing the routine again. So pretty simple. Currently you have to puppeteer all the channels in one go. I understand they're working on that, so they'll have multiple tracks you could record at a time, and then when you play it back, they'll all play together. So here we go. He's going back to play the routine, but if I hit the play button, it puts it back into live mode, and so you've got control of it again. Thanks, everyone.